How's it going, people? Random here. So I got a couple locks that I got from my buddy Tom, the machinist, and who I'm trying to convince to do a YouTube page because this guy does a lot of crazy stuff. But he found these in a scrap pile for me, and I thought that was very kind of him. This is the smaller shackle version of, I don't know if you've seen this one before, which is my Master Pro Series 6125. This is 6121. Only difference is size of the shackle. Everything else is the same. So both these have no keys. This one has a KIK core in it, which looks like a SC4. Pretty sure. I don't think I have an SC4 blank down here. So let's take my word on it. Let's pretend that's an SC4. So let's pick something open and see what we got. Okay. It's not the right tension wrench, but my bench is kind of a mess. Can I find the other one? Yes, I can. There we go. Well, some people swear that they need to start at the back, but in my opinion, I start whatever is binding, whether it be the back or the front. If it doesn't work, I'll go mix it up. I'm going to find a little longer reach on that because I don't think I'm hitting up too high. Slight turn on the core. Trying to find out. Oh, guess I should have tightened that down a little bit, eh? Ooh, come on. Oh, you bugger. I have it? That happens to me more times than I can count. Cool. I got her. Awesome. Okay, we do not have a key. And I got my pick jammed in there in some obtuse angle here. See if I can get my pick out. Okay. I don't care about the pinning because I am going to redo the pinning. And this is the one that has the odd little Allen key bugger in the bottom. I'm not sure if I can get it out with that. No, that one won't work. Let's see if I can find that Allen key. Allen key. I put one in my pick case when I thought I would need it. Apparently, I decided it was a good idea to not pay attention to where I put it. Well, we might be out of luck here, guys and girls. I need to organize my my picks a little better. Maybe prepare for the odd video would be a good idea, but hey, what would be the fun in that? Let's see if this one has a good slot screwdriver. We'll get right in there. Aha! There we go. Oh wow. The holder and everything for it, the cam, it's all just coming out. Looks like a 6-pinner. Fairly decent sized core. Yeah, I'm losing everything, man. I had one of the funky tools for taking that pin out. Aha. That's the whole reason why I bought that big box of master stuff. As long as I don't lock the core out while I'm taking this out, which I almost did. Forget, save your pin. Drop your spring if it comes out. If it doesn't come out, you're good to go. And pay attention to where you have your pins, and I'm gonna guess this could be master pinned. Okay, that's the wrong follower. Probably this one right here. Yeah, this is a little smaller. Okay. Oh, it's only pinned for 5. I thought I could feel 6 on that. It's pretty looby. And, oh yeah, it is master. It is pinned for master pinning. So I know where this come from. So what I usually like to do is, if I know where the lock came from, I don't want that bitting getting around, even though I don't have a key. So what I usually do is ditch this pinning and throw in something else. So I'm not going to really care too much what's in these top ones and in what order. Because I don't want to put it back together with the same bitting. I got a pin here upside down. Yeah, that one was in upside down. It's a key pin as a driver. Yes, it works. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. That's what's in there. It's a 6 pin for a 5. Probably just going to put this core back in. I'll pin it up for 6 pins, change the bitting. I haven't dealt with too much master, like master keying stuff. So, if you notice, the only difference on this is, oh, that's on the floor, is this chamber has 2 states. So you would key this all to these bottom pins for 1 key, and then for the next key you would just add the distance of that, so make that pin that much deeper for the 2 different keys. So one of these must have been, this might have been on a gate, and the other one might have been, you know, to an office. Maybe that's why it's got the same SC4. So if you were to cut these the same, then you'd be able to get around getting the whole building. That's why I don't keep stuff. Because not that if anybody else got their hands on it, they'd know where it is. But if they ever did figure out, then it's a definite, you know, security risk for people. But either way, so we'll repin this up, and I might even use this on something. Because yeah, I think I actually have a case for the bottom which matches that. So either way, take care. Thanks for watching my stuff, and thanks for all the subscribers I've had recently. Really appreciate it, and it makes me want to keep doing this. Take care, and support your local locksmith.